The VoiceBridge is an innovative intercom system for easy retrofitting wherever hygiene barriers make communication between people difficult. The VoiceBridge helps to keep communication clear and understandable, despite protective measures. The result? Increased security and less frustration caused by lack of understanding, both for customers and staff. Integrated infrared sensors automatically detect whether a person is in front of the VoiceBridge and automatically activate the microphone. The integrated noise reduction and echo cancellation technology enables clear speech recognition wherever protective measures, mandatory face masks, and ambient noise severely restrict speech clarity. It takes 3 simple steps to start using the VoiceBridge. Remove the protective foil from the double-sided adhesive tape. Attach the 2 VoiceBridge units to the appropriate place for staff and customers. Connect the 2 units with each other and plug in the power supply unit. Done. The VoiceBridge is now ready for use. Order your VoiceBridge today.